Elements Embedded Dashboard Designer allows you to design your own custom dashboards right in your browser. You can choose from a range of configuration options and data visualizations to create dashboards tailored to your organization's needs. In this video, we will run through the basics of creating your own custom dashboards. No prior knowledge is required, although it is recommended that you read the dashboard support articles on the Symplectic support site before you get started. Please note, this functionality is available to organizations that license the Elements Analytics module. Dashboards are managed via the Manage Dashboards page. System administrators and dashboard administrators have access to this page. From here, you'll be able to see your collection of stock dashboards, as well as any previously created custom dashboards. There are a couple of ways to go about creating a new dashboard. Either you can start with an existing dashboard, clone it, and then modify it, or alternatively, to create a new custom dashboard, select Create a New Dashboard at the bottom of the page. Now you've created an entry for your new dashboard, click on the design link to open the Dashboard Designer. When you create a new dashboard, you first need to connect to a data source. There are two data sources available in Elements, the Elements Reporting Database and the Elements Analytics Database. In this video, we build a SQL-based dashboard. To build SQL-based dashboards, you should connect to the Elements Reporting Database. More information about when you should choose SQL-based dashboards versus when you should choose cube-based dashboards can be found on the support site. The next step is to create your query, which is used to return data from the data source and build your dashboard. You can write your query directly using SQL, or you can use the query builder. It is important that you regularly save your work, as the dashboard designer will not auto-save your work. The query builder provides access to all tables in the reporting database. These can then be dropped into the query builder and joined together to analyze related pieces of data. By joining two tables, you are telling the query builder how the two tables are related. In this example, the user ID column in the login log table joins the ID column in the user table. Information about the data contained in each of the tables and how the tables are related to one another can be found in the reporting database guide on the support site. Now that you have selected the data to use in the visualization, you can start adding dashboard items to the Dashboard Designer. We will use a bar chart to visualize user logins. Next, you must bind the dashboard item to the data that we made available using the query builder. This allows the dashboard item to access the data that was returned by the query builder. To count instances of values in the user ID column, we can add the user ID to values. Values are things we typically want to count, add, average, or otherwise aggregate. In this case, we're going to count instances of values of user ID. After clicking the Add Value box, select the User ID column and then ensure the Count option is selected under the Summary Type section. This ensures that we count rows in the results set. Next, we want to add time as an argument. This will allow us to view a count of user logins by time. The dashboard is now measuring the number of login events by users in each month of usage. This is very useful for tracking system engagement. Now that we've created the dashboard, we can decide who should be given permission to view it. By default, when a dashboard is created, no users will have permission to view it. Either individuals or groups can be granted permission to view the dashboard. Users who have the role Dashboard Superviewer or System Administrator can view all dashboards. If you would like to see more information on building SQL-based and cube-based dashboards, please visit the Elements support site.